Alright guys, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm just going to quickly show you how to withdraw money from your Newton account. Now, I usually use the Newton app. The app on the phone, you can download it. It's just much more convenient. But just for tutorial purposes, I'm just using the desktop app or the computer app because it will help you guys to understand the process. So here on the left menu, you have settings. Here on the left menu, you have settings, which will have your name, email, all that stuff, phone number. And then next is add funds. We already did that. You can also add funds here, or you can click here. It'll take you to the add funds button, right? If you want to trade, you can go here. If, for example, when the money goes into your account and you want to transfer it into Canadian money, you can do that, or from Canadian to Bitcoin, you can do that here. And then from withdraw, you have withdraw. Let's see. Withdraw would be just like just the same way you would send money. You have the same options. You can withdraw into your bank account. You have to link your bank account though. If you link your bank account, it will be there within 2 to 4 business days. Then they have crypto wallet, and then they have Interact e-transfer. So let's just say you want to go through e-transfer. Now I don't have any money in my account, so you're gonna see it say red, but let's assume there's money in my account. If I was to say $1,000, it's going to be green, but because I don't have it, it's gonna say the amount exceeds what I can withdraw, just because there's nothing in the wallet. But as soon as it becomes available, it's going to show. So 1,000 there, boom. And go down here. And that's it, guys. For this video, that's pretty much how you will withdraw funds, just as if you're receiving it. Just follow the prompts. Any questions, you can join our community chat or channel, or just get in contact with your upline, or you can get in contact with us through our Novatech Millionaires Telegram channel, and then we will be able to help you out there. Perfect. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you in the next video.